Winter often brings cozy evenings and warm indoor air, but it also creates ideal conditions for mold and mildew to grow. Here are some practical steps to keep your home free from winter mold and mildew. Proper airflow is key to maintaining fresh indoor air and preventing moisture buildup that encourages mold. Even during cold months, it's helpful to open windows briefly each day to let in dry air and let humid air escape. You can also run ceiling fans on a low clockwise setting to circulate warm air without creating drafts. This helps keep the home evenly heated and reduces damp areas where mold might appear. Moisture absorbers are an affordable solution for small or enclosed areas. These products contain crystals that pull moisture from the air and collect it in a reservoir. They are especially useful in places with limited ventilation, helping prevent musty odors and mold formation. With 14% more moisture-absorbing power than standard 14-ounce bags, you can actually see it at work as it traps humidity. Each hanging bag can last up to 60 days, depending on the temperature and humidity levels. Regular cleaning with mold-fighting products can also stop spores from taking hold. Wiping down susceptible surfaces with mold sprays kills existing spores and prevents new ones from growing. Incorporating this into your routine, rather than just addressing visible moisture, makes mold prevention more effective. Using a dehumidifier is another effective way to control indoor humidity during winter. When the air is more than 50% humid, mold and mildew can easily grow on walls, ceilings, and other surfaces. A dehumidifier draws in moist air, extracts the water, and releases dry air back into the room. This keeps humidity at a healthy level and makes the living space more comfortable while discouraging mold growth. In bathrooms, keeping shower doors or screens open after bathing helps reduce humidity and prevent mold. Steam from hot showers can linger in closed spaces, creating perfect conditions for mold. Running the exhaust fan for at least 15 minutes afterward removes excess moisture and keeps the bathroom dry. Avoid leaving wet laundry in the washing machine or in baskets, as this can promote mildew growth. Remove clothes promptly after washing and either dry them in the dryer or hang them up to air dry. With a little care and preventive measures, you can enjoy a warm, comfortable home all winter without worrying about mold or mildew.